Mnati.
Mfethu awusamkenyiwa sakhala la eOrlando Amstel Stadium bathi kuse-arena ngise-arena kanti phila mfethu Orlando Pirates ibonisa ukuthi manje njengoba seyithopa i-Sundowns ngama-point sesishanga 5 point manje kule league seshanga 5. It can be 6, it can be 5. Because angidona bedlala 15 thina sidlala 16.
Oh yeah.
So sidlula nga 5 point i-Sundowns. Awuthi yami mina into engayisho ukuthi i-Orlando Pirates yathatha le league. Who can stop Pirates? Who can stop Orlando Pirates? Ubani ongayistopa? Look at the soccer they're playing out. Tell me, Peggy Pola Laba, out tell me Pirates Ipola. Pirates is giving us happiness. Happy. This team is giving us more and more happiness, and we love that and we enjoy it. You understand? I'll tell me, I'm going to stop the Pirates. Even Sundowns, I'm going to stop the Pirates. Even Kaizer Chiefs, I'm going to stop the Pirates. I'll tell me. I'm going to 28. The Pirates are shy Kaizer Chiefs. 2-1. Never got that. Savanguma. Sister Hayes. Yeah, Savanguma. I'll tell me. Yeah, Orlando Pirates. I'll tell me, I'm a Simba. Savangama's.
Nyabonga puta mkelu ngitshele man of the match yakho.
I man of the match am ngika uTito Masangai. Amlenza sethembisa. Bathi msabunga amazi. Bayivela ithi Tito. Yeah, uTito uthama udlala kamnandi namhlanje. Noma dlala ngo left uthama riyadlala yasothile. Amnandi.
Bonga mina puta.
Bonga mina mfowethu.
Thank you.
Thank you very nice lo. Bara wathi mfana ngishapa itsothunya mfana ngifutha ithatha. Ngibhitsa itsomari mfana yakhe mshapa itsasibuni. Yeah, give my nice. Thank you mfowethu.